Hi, I'm Jungme Park. I'm an assistant professor in the ECE department. I've been at Kettering University for 6 years. My specialty is in artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. And this space is called the Bosch Lab, located in the academic building. And this space is equipped with very powerful NVIDIA GPU desktop computers. For example, this is the image of one of my lab assignment in artificial intelligence class. And without using these powerful GPU computers, it will probably take several hours to train one system. However, using these powerful desktop computers, students can train one AI system within a few minutes. At Kettering University, we have many research teams, and I'd like to show you some of the research output generated by my research team. First, this is the LiDAR sensor. This LiDAR sensor contains 16 layers of laser beams, and these laser beams rotate 360 degrees. And also these laser beams capture the surroundings, as you can see in this screen. And these are all sensors used by my research team to develop the autonomous driving applications. The next one is the vehicle detection system, and this system is developed by using the deep neural network algorithm, and the camera is mounted on the vehicle's windshield, and the detection result is represented using these red bounding boxes. As you can see, the detection result is quite good. And then the last one is the face detection system using web camera, and this face detection system is also trained using the deep neural network algorithm, and there are many face detection applications. For our case, we developed this face detection system for the driver monitoring system.